Well, the Shay locomotive was something that was given to us in 1970 by the Carter family, and it was part of the Carter Lumber Company operations back in the 20s and 30s. And Dr. Larry Walker, the first dean of the college, made an arrangement to have the Shay brought to campus and displayed. So since 1970, it has resided at this location. It has become part of an excellent display of the history of forestry in East Texas. But in recent years, the Shay has deteriorated significantly, and we were all very concerned about that condition and that we really didn't have the resources to put into restoring the Shay. Last April, Harbor Springs Area Historical Society in Harbor Springs, Michigan gave me a call, and they asked if we would be interested in donating the Shay. Harbor Springs is the longtime home of Ephraim Shay, who is the inventor of the drive system used on that locomotive. So in a sense, it's going back home. And we're very excited that they're going to put the resources into making it a static display at the Shay Museum, where it will be taken care of long into the future. And that's what's going on right now. They're preparing the Shay for rigging that will transfer it to a tractor trailer, and it will be shipped to Harbor Springs, Michigan. Well, I think everybody, including myself, it's kind of bittersweet. We all recognize the significance of the Shay to East Texas forestry and the significance of its being here for 51 years on display next to the forestry building. But I think they also recognize that it's going to a very good home and that it will be long preserved, way beyond probably what we could afford to do here at SFA. So people are sad in one respect, but also very happy in another, and that's been pretty consistent across our faculty, our students, and our alumni.